In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday.com board in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to streamline your workflow, it's a straightforward process that will help you get organized quickly. So let's dive in and set up your new board. First, you'll want to open your Monday.com account. Make sure you're logged in because everything starts from the dashboard once you're ready. On your main screen, you'll notice a variety of options and existing boards, but for now, we'll focus on creating something fresh. Next, look for the plus icon. This icon is critical. It's usually positioned where new additions or creations are easily accessible. Go ahead and give that a click. This little button is your gateway to expanding your workspace, adding new boards, and managing your projects more efficiently. After clicking the plus icon, direct your attention to where it says Board. Hover over that. You'll notice a couple of options pop up. You can choose between starting a new board or using a template. Starting a new board from scratch is akin to having a blank canvas, which is great for customized projects. However, choosing a Start New template can be a massive time saver if you're working on something routine or need a structured layout to follow. Once you've decided, you'll need to select a template that best fits your project or company needs. You'll find an array of predefined templates tailored for different tasks. Everything from project management to sales tracking is available. Take your time to browse through the template gallery and choose one that aligns with your objectives. Feeling good about the template you've chosen? Great. Now it's time to click on Use Template. This action will import all of the template's predefined structure and settings into your new board, giving you a fantastic starting point with preset columns, groups, and even example tasks or projects all laid out for you. With that done, you'll have a fresh board ready to be customized to suit your needs. If you wish, you can personalize it, change the columns, and add tasks that reflect your ongoing projects. This new board can serve a multitude of purposes, be it for organizing team tasks, tracking deadlines, or managing ongoing projects. And there you have it. Your Monday.com board is set up and ready for action. You're all set to start adding contents, assigning team members, and integrating it into your everyday workflow. It's a quick process that sets the stage for enhanced productivity and better project management. Thanks for joining me today. Happy organizing, and I hope your new board helps bring clarity and efficiency to your team's endeavors.